Hi, there are 25 dead leads in my profile, and we are in a process of actually partnering with people across India to build our local ecosystem for our product. Now, uh, this 25 leads that I have on my system right now, I either want to get rid of them or because I don't want to treat them as a head count, or I want to be sure that is there any single potential who I can nurture and convert them into a full-fledged hot lead. I don't want to do this manually. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to quickly go through each one of them and see that what is the action plan that I can take with them, and if any of them converts, it's a good ROI on the leads that I actually thought would be dead. So we're quickly going to see how we can do that. Now over here you can see on the screen that Mr. Prakash here is termed as a weak match because of, let's see why he's a weak match. He's a weak match because no specific decision maker identified. Probably the designation that has been put up here is not really relevant, and it's not going to make any difference even if I approach him. And it's a generic email info, so maybe the email address that I have is info@his company, so it might not approach him. Whereas I still have an action plan for him, which says that you can drop an email saying that I'm reaching out to see who manages your sales and lead processing workflow at HOV Services. And could you point me to the right person to discuss AI workflow orchestration? And also, it has told me to avoid assuming that there is a specific pain point there and aggressive sales language. So, therefore, it has not given me anything with respect to selling him anything, but it's just like I want to reach out to this right person who is the right person to discuss a AI workflow. So I'm not selling him anything. It has also given me a personalization hook, like any input that let's say if I get on a call, so I still have a call script from that person that I can generate here, which will give me input that how I should actually talk to that person over a call. Now here, yes, now if you see, I have this script which says, "Hi Mr. Prakash, I'm reaching out to understand how your team or at HOV Services Ltd is currently handling lead enrichment and high volume sales operations. And the CTA, would you be open to a 10-minute chat next week to discuss if we can streamline your current workflow?" Now, it's not really a sales oriented script that I have come across, it's just like a basic structure that it's given me. Now, after I have done a conversation, it will also start me a feedback loop, which is a past conversation specifically. Now, it gives me the liberty to not really put anything at all on this without, thinking much or doing anything which will put me under pressure. So, that's something that really solves me the purpose. So if you are somebody who's looking to filter dead leads or reactivate them, I think this is one of the best way to go forward. Link is in the comments. I would love for you to test this and let me know how were you able to activate it or decide that okay, I'm gonna scrape this lead.